What up, though? That's not professional, Tay. How y'all? No, that's soft. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigas. How's that? That's good. All right, bet. My name is MOMT Productions, and I'm coming at you guys with a review slash unboxing of the Podcaster. We just got it. No, stop it. Stop. But it's the Podcaster. It is a teleprompter to be used with your camera. This is a 5-star product. We're going to get into that later, but first and foremost, my name is Man of Many Talents. I am a YouTuber, obviously, a director, a photographer, a videographer. I pretty much do it all. Everything you see shot on my channel is shot and edited, color graded by myself. So if that's interesting, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, comment your questions or concerns, and let's get straight into it. Okay, you guys seen the unboxing, and I'm gonna just give this a thumbs up. It is for the price. This is retailing at $120 on Amazon, and it's a bang for your buck for real. Like the quality isn't the best. It is plastic, and the size it is small. It's about 4 inches, I say, but it's great for vlogs, small productions. And I mean, you could use it for a big production, but I would assume the further away you get, the harder it would be to actually take advantage of the screen size without having to blow it up so big. But some good features about this is you can adjust the text size, you can adjust the margin. So if I have a bigger phone and I want to make sure the words don't overlap, I can decrease the margin. You can adjust the background color. You can adjust the text size. You can adjust a lot of things with this. You can even adjust the scroll speed. So it's a great entry level teleprompter, and I'm sure this will give me a long time use because I take care of my stuff. So yeah, I mean, if you guys were thinking about getting you one, I would recommend the Padcaster by Parrot. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed the review, make sure you give it a like, comment your concerns, questions, and that's about it. You guys have a great whatever day it is. But till next time, YouTube, and you know how we got to do it though. We got to jam out before I end this video. We always got to jam out. So let's get it. Number 1. Until next time.